Harrison, do you know what we are going to do right now?
Open the box.
Open the box. And what's in the box?
A tool.
A tool. But you don't know what kind of tool, do you?
Yeah.
All right. Well then.
Can I go up here?
Sure, you can go up there.
Okay. Can I open this?
Yeah, let's open it up. See what's in there.
You need a tool.
I have scissors if you need them. You're strong enough. You can pull that open. There you go. And inside the box is another box.
Now I can pop it, right?
You can pop those.
Okay, you're popping them, right? I can't pop them.
They're not popping. They're not agreeing with you right now, are they? Oh.
On the ground, I can't pop them. Daddy, you get it all out.
I get it all the way out? I get to open it up? Wow, well I know what it is now, so I'm going to open it up.
Why?
Why do I know? Because it has a picture of it on the outside.
Outside?
But you'll see it in a second. Here it comes.
Oh, baby.
Wow, look at that tool case. Okay, can you get that out?
And it will me?
Well, it's for us, right? We can use it together. NaTiddy, whoa, look at that. What is in here?
My God.
Some gloves.
For me. For me.
Yeah, they're pretty small. They'll probably fit you.
Daddy.
This is, I think, probably for oil. You'll see in a second. What's this? This is the... What does that look like?
It's
Gentle.
It's for me.
A chainsaw.
For me.
Well, it's not exactly a child's toy. This is a real chainsaw. It cuts real things.
Look at it.
And you have goggles, yeah. It's a 6-inch chainsaw. It's a mini chainsaw. See, look at that. A mini chainsaw.
Oh, I have 2 batteries.
Wow, 2 batteries.
What are in here?
That's the charger for the batteries. And then look, extra chainsaw, like the actual chain, extra chain. And this is probably a tool for taking out the chain. But let's open this up here. Can you take the plastic off?
Oh, right here.
Is there a button? No, there's no button, silly. It's just that's how you click it on and off. Here, take off the plastic, gentle. Yeah, look at that. So this is an electric chainsaw. And it's green and handheld. You're going to try to pop those? That's fine. I'm going to look at the instructions for this for a minute, okay? Before we try anything. Actual chainsaw, safety baffle, guide plate. Let's see if it says what that is. Mini chainsaw oil bottle. So yes, that's for oil. So this is how it charges the battery. I'll get it. This is how it charges the battery through the top here. So that's interesting.
I'm going to go get it.
Okay. You can pick that up pretty easily, huh?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try it and see if these batteries are charged. If they're not, we're going to have to charge them up before we can use it. But you want to see if it works?
Yep.
All right.
I do.
All right, let's see.
The button is work.
Right here, this is the button. But it won't do anything. You have to hold down this button and then do it so that there's a safety on it. Okay? All right, so we have the battery on. Harrison has gone far away in case it's loud. Huh, Harrison? And you push this button in and then this button. Ready? Yeah. Wow. Not too loud. We'll have to get our sound...
Do it now. Do it now.
All right, so not too loud. You want to try it out? We have a lot of things that we could cut, and the big chainsaw sometimes is hard to cut some of the smaller stuff. This is perfect. This is like handheld. You want to go try it?
Oh, I gotta get my... Yeah.
Oh, Harrison, this is really important. It's always good to have safety goggles on when you're operating something like cutting or anything like that. So here, try that. Put that on. How's it fit? Looks like it fits really well.
Yeah, I can really see.
Good. Look over here. Hey. Nice. All right, let's go cut something. This is over here what I was thinking of. These pieces here. Look at that. Big old branches that have fallen. I think we need to go take a trip to drop off some of these pieces of wood. Maybe after we cut up this, and we can put it away and do that. All right, look at these. So this should cut right through these pieces of wood pretty easily. You want to try it out?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
I'm gonna go and back up and then
I'll do it first, and then maybe you can try it.
go.
Okay. Whoa.
Really cuts, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow. Wow.
Pretty nice. Wait a second. You want to try it? First, just hold it up. There you go. All right, let's go over here.
You need to get some work,
Yeah, yes. No, wait. Let's not do this one because it's already kind of hanging. Do this one over here.
You want?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, any of those. Okay, ready? I'll hold your hand.
I can't do it with it.
Okay, use your other hand. Or are you gonna?
I'm going to do this.
Okay. You can let go. Wow, knocked everything off. What do you think of that?
Good.
Wow. That works pretty well. Do you want to cut down a bush over here?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do that. So we have this bush, which has a pretty thick trunk, right? That is pretty dead. Unfortunately, it's been a very dry summer. What's it smell like?
It's gone.
It smells like a skunk. Yeah, we think that there was a skunk back here that got blue recently, huh?
Yeah, and I banged my house.
By your house? You
Yeah.
sprayed your house? You cleaned your house?
Yeah, I don't want no gun worry.
It does still smell a little bit like skunk. But yeah, unfortunately these bushes, they're not doing too hot. This one may be dead soon too, so this one's still pretty well alive. But
that was not dead, old deal.
this one's not dead, but the drought that we had this summer is taking its toll. So we might lose this one, and this one definitely is over. So we're going to use this new saw.
Not using that one, or that one is going away.
Yeah. We're going to use this new saw to cut this down. You're watching from inside your house? All right, so I'm going to take some of these small ones off first. Oh, that thing flew a little bit. All right, some more small ones.
I'm almost going to get one in here.
You're going to see if there one goes in there.
One get in here. Oh,
Look at all that stuff.
Oh my daddy. I think you cannot do that one.
No, it's fine. It's just all these leaves that are the needles are coming off all over me. That's because they're all dead. It's like a dead Christmas tree. All right.
Oh yeah. Come
So,
do it. Do daddy.
oh, look at that. This is already, look at how it's just coming off there, Harrison.
Oh my.
So this one here is already in bad shape, huh? Look at that.
Daddy.
Can you pull it out?
I can't. Maybe we should saw it.
Yeah, we'll saw it. Okay.
I'm going to get back up.
All right, I'm going to go. Ready?
Go.
Look at that.
Go, hold on.
This one's done.
One more time.
There goes that part of it. Okay, bye-bye, bush. All right.
Bye, but I don't. Daddy,
Yeah.
I have a bush at home. My went out. And you want to know how big it is?
How big is it?
Yay! They're big.
That's pretty big. All right, let's cut the rest of this.
Go!
I'm gonna just go for it on the bottom here.
Wow!
Nice.
Now I cannot get out.
No, you can't. Yes, you can. Oh, there we go. Look at
You
that.
go the other way.
Poor dead bush.
Maybe I can pull it out now.
You want to try pulling it out?
I can't. Then Dad yawned it up.
Well, let's see here.
Maybe I step on it. Now, Daddy. Now get it.
Now get it?
Yeah, now pull it.
Pull it or?
I'm just do
I
it.
got that piece.
That's how you do it.
That's how we do it.
Yeah, that's good.
So
That's what I am.
this part, I mean, we can work on it and it can come out. We can get a shovel and dig it out. This will come out. Here's all the pieces here. Well, so far, nice and easy and a success. I think it's a great little tool, perfect for the kind of job that we just did, and we can use it a lot with a lot of these small areas.
Yeah.
So this was perfect for that. So yeah,
I can
well, it'll join our tool arsenal, and we have a nice carrying case for it, right, Harrison? Right over here. Here we go with that. All right, start digging.
I can't do it.
We didn't do it very long. Takes a little bit of work. I'm gonna go find a bigger shovel. Here's a little dirty shovel, but a shovel nonetheless. This is almost all the way out. Whoa, good job. Let me see if I can get it out.
Go.
Oh,
Oh, we need to do this.
look at
Oh!
that.
Roy Bingo. Definitely got to do it in my shoe.
You got dirt in your shoe.
I need to get my new shoe. Dad, Peter, get that with me?
All right, here you go. Okay. That piece is gone.
Yeah.
Now we can figure out what we're going to put there.
Now I can put in a new one.
Yeah, that's for another day.
About this. No, you know having that, like,
Right.
normal.
Okay, hey, thank you for your help. You like our new saw? All right, say bye to everyone.
Daddy, bye. Bye. Be alive.